Are you planning to set a business here in the Philippines with an SRV? Know this first and don't get yourself in trouble. One of the questions we get more often, can I work in the Philippines with my retirement visa or SRV? The short answer is not by itself. Your SRV lets you live and reside in the Philippines long term. But if you want to actively manage your business or work on it, you need a proper authorization from the Labor Department along with your SRV. Here is where many foreign nationals get confused. They move to the Philippines, open a business, start working on their businesses, and assume that their SRV is already enough. Unfortunately, that may lead into compliance issues and unnecessary headaches. If you are an SRV holder who happens to be married to a Filipino citizen and the same time an owner of the business, you need to secure an Alien Employment Permit or AEP exemption. If you are an SRB holder who wanted to work in the Philippines, not married to a Filipino citizen, but the owner of the business, you are now then required to secure an Alien Employment Permit exclusion. If you are an SRB holder not married to a Filipino, and at the same time not the owner of the business that you're working in, you are now required to secure an Alien Employment Permit or AEP from the Labor Department. The right permit then depends on your situation. So, which one is then applicable for you? And it is always best to start it with proper guidance. Do you have further questions when you wanted to set up and run your business in the Philippines together with your Alien Employment Permit and with the SRV or your spousal visa and other applicable visas that may fit on your situation? Drop your questions on a comment or contact JRC Visa Consultancy and Realty Services. We only have one objective for you. We wanted your relocation to be as smooth as possible and at the same time staying compliant for you to have the peace of mind. This is JRC, your visa agent and your real estate buyer's agent in the Philippines. Compliance equals peace of mind. I'll see you on our next video.